Do you want to learn origami? Start with something simple. In this video, I'll show you how to easily and quickly fold a paper dog. You need a square sheet for origami. If you don't have one, no worries. You can make a square from any rectangular sheet. Take a rectangular sheet and place it with the long side facing you. Lift the bottom left corner to the top edge to form a big triangle. Press the fold well. Cut off the extra part on the right. Now you have a square with a fold in the middle. Now, let's make the dog. Keep the square folded in half to form a triangle. Place the triangle with the big point facing down. Find the middle of the triangle, step a little to the side, press the paper with a finger of one hand. With the other hand, fold the paper downward. Smooth the crease where the paper bent. Do the same on the other side. Find the center, leave a small gap. Hold the paper with a finger of one hand, and with the other hand, fold the paper downward. Smooth the crease where the paper bent. We have made the ears. Fold the bottom part up. This is the face. Now, fold down the top layer. This is the nose. You can draw eyes. A nose and a smile. Did you make a cute puppy? Write in the comments.